Bakit blue ang sky pag tanghali pero orange ang sky kapag sunset? Welcome to Opto Facts. Facts I learned out as an Opto student. Hi Wabs, this is because of the scattering of light. And the importante dito yung wavelength. Light kasi is made up of different colors and bawat color may different wavelength. Blue light has a shorter wavelength compared to red light, meanwhile red light has a longer wavelength compared to the blue light. Now, sa atmosphere natin, may mga tiny particles kasi which is called the air molecules. Kapag tumama yung sunlight, yung shorter wavelengths like the blue has madaling mag-scatter it in all directions since malapit yung distance ng araw sa atmosphere natin. In compare to if nasa horizon yung araw. Kaya kahit saan ko tumingin sa sky, blue yung nakikita natin. Now, kapag sunset naman, the sun is low on the horizon, so its light has to travel further through the atmosphere. So most of the blue light is scattered away before it reaches our eyes. And ang natitira na lang is yung longer wavelengths which is either the red or the orange. Kaya ganun yung kulay ng sunset natin. So hindi nagbabago yung araw. Ang nagbabago lang is the way on how the light interact when it enters our atmosphere. And that is our Opto Fact. Love you.